Who said you must use pattern paper to cut out your design? Or where is it written? Are you a fashion designer? Do you see this pattern on your screen? Would you believe if I told you this was made with A4 paper? Yes, the A4 paper that you knew very well. You don't have money to buy pattern paper? Worry no more. The solution is finally here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviware. All you need to do is get your A4 paper. You see A4 paper, right? Good. Just get as many as you can and use your tape to tape them together. You can see this will serve for both front and back pattern. Depending on your size, 6 will go because I use 6 for myself right now. Guys, I just discovered this method and I was so excited and I was like, I must show it to my fashion designers friends. So today, I have a design in mind and I'm just cutting it. So I was just put a mark at the neck. This is my first time using pattern paper. So I use this, my big tape, to draft out the neck. I don't even have the ruler for drafting, so you can use anything. So I came down with the 1 inch for the shoulder slope and I just went ahead to mark all other parts. So I'm going to allow you watch it and follow it religiously while you listen to our beautiful background music. See you on the other end. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of video, let's know in the comment section, okay?